I'm making some treats for Valentine. So these are the wrap I'm going to be using for this treat, and these are the Nutella I will be using also, and I have jam I will be using, this raspberries jam, and I also have raisin. This is dry raisin also. So right now we're just going to start making this delicious treat. Right away we're going to be putting some, you can see these are the Nutella. We're just going to be adding some Nutella to the wrap. It depends on how many quantity of wrap you're going to be making, so you can use as much as you want. Just gently apply this Nutella. Very easy this way. We have some raisin. Add some raisin. And right now I'm just gonna close it up and wrap it. For fun. So this is one. Make more of it. It depends on how many guests you are waiting for in your house for the Valentine Day treat. So we're just going to be making easy treats, easy as Nutella and wrap. Nothing sweeter than this. Add some raisin also, same way. You can form any shape, heart shape, any shape you want. So this, I'm gonna do this like this. So any shape, different type of shape we're gonna be making. So right now we're gonna be using, this is the raspberry jam. We're just gonna use it to brush it up. But right now I'm going to place it in the freezer for at least 5 minutes and let it get solid, and I'll bring it out. That's how we start to eat this delicious treat. Try it out and you will like it. So you'll see the finishing. Right now I'll be adding some marshmallows to it. Just put some, not too much. So this is it. This is my treat for Valentine's Day. Happy Valentine's to you, everyone. And see how I am gonna freeze it out, and then we start to eat. So delicious. So this is my treat for the Valentine's. So happy Valentine's, everyone, and it's ready. You can just eat anything you want here. I'm gonna be eating this very one. Wow, you can see how delicious it is. It's so yummy. Try it out, guys, and see how delicious this one. Thank you all, and please subscribe to this channel, Joy Cooking Show. Bye for now.